Listen and practice speaking skills.
Sarah, is that really you? I can't believe we bumped into each other here.
Lisa. Oh my goodness, what a small world. How have you been?
I've been good, busy with work and all. But being here, soaking up the sun, feels like a dream. How about you?
Same here. Life gets so hectic. This beach vacation is my escape. How's work treating you?
It's a bit crazy, you know? But enough about work. Tell me, how's everything in your world?
Well, I started taking up painting classes. It's so therapeutic. And you won't believe it, I adopted a puppy.
A puppy? That's adorable. What's its name?
His name is Max. He's a little ball of energy. You know me, always up for new adventures.
That's awesome. I remember you always wanted a dog. So, what brings you to this beach paradise?
I needed a break, a reset button. Life was getting too overwhelming, and I thought, why not a beach getaway?
Couldn't agree more. The sound of the waves, the warm sand, it's like therapy. By the way, have you tried the local cuisine?
Oh, absolutely. The seafood here is divine. I tried this amazing dish called paella. Have you ventured into the local flavors?
I did. The fruit here is so fresh. I had the juiciest mangoes yesterday. And the seafood, yes. Paella is a must-try, I had it too.
Great minds think alike. Do you remember that time in college when we tried cooking together?
How could I forget? We attempted lasagna, and it turned into a delicious disaster.
True. We've come a long way since those days. Hey, speaking of old times, do you remember our road trip?
Oh, the road trip. How could I ever forget? Getting lost, singing at the top of our lungs, and that tiny roadside diner with the best pie.
Those were the days, my friend. We were carefree and unstoppable. Life was an open road.
We should do it again sometime, minus the getting lost part.
Absolutely. Maybe a road trip reunion with Max in tow. Wouldn't that be something?
Count me in. Imagine the adventures we could have with Max along for the ride.
It's a plan then. Road trip reunion in the near future.
Cheers to that, Sarah. To old memories and new adventures.
Excuse me, is this the line for the checkout?
Yeah, it is. Long line today.
Tell me about it. Just grabbing a few things for dinner. You?
Same here. There's something therapeutic about chopping veggies.
No way. I love making Alfredo. Do you add anything special?
A dash of nutmeg adds a subtle flavor. You?
I throw in some fresh basil. It elevates the taste. We might be culinary soulmates. Speaking of dinner, want to join me for a cooking session? We can exchange tips.
Sure, why not? I'm always up for culinary adventures. What time? This kitchen is impressive. You must love cooking.
It's my stress reliever. What about you?
Same here. There's something therapeutic about chopping veggies.
The secret to a good Alfredo is patience with the sauce.
Patience is not my strong suit, but I'll give it a shot.
Not bad, right?
The nutmeg and basil, a match made in culinary heaven.
So, Ryan, what's your story? What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. It pays the bills, but cooking is my real passion.
I'm a graphic designer. Always loved the creative side of things. Ever tried combining your love for cooking with graphic design?
How do you do that?
Food blogging. It's a thing. We document our culinary adventures.
That sounds interesting. I'm in. When's our next culinary adventure?
How about a weekend cook-off? We pick a theme, cook, and document the whole process.
Thanks for the invite, Jessica. This was surprisingly fun.
Who knew a trip to the grocery store would lead to a new friend and cooking buddy?